Multiple 911 callers are reporting this vehicle for reckless driving. As this officer pulls the vehicle over, the driver can be seen driving completely off the road through the grass.
Signal one. Ma'am, I do not care.
My friends live at the inn, and they were going to rent the place.
Do you have any guns, knives, drugs, bombs, anything crazy in the car? Okay, ma'am, I'm talking to her, not you. Step over here.
No, sir.
How much you had to drink today?
I had a drink at overseas.
A
and
drink?
We were coming, well, two.
Ma'am.
2 drinks.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me explain something. There's somebody who's been behind you. Stay in the car.
That's
Shut the door right now and stay in the car. A car got behind you. They've been behind you the entire time. You have been reported as all over the road. I then pull into here. You pull here, make a wide right-hand turn. You're driving in the, hold on, you're driving in the grass.
Right.
I light you up all the way at the top of the street. Then you continue to drive down the street.
You know,
Okay.
I know that doesn't mean...
Stay in the car. Shut the door now. Just stay right here.
Okay.
Ma'am, if I have to tell you to stop doing again, you know what? Step out. Step out. Step out. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
What am I doing?
Stop. Stay right there. Don't move. You're throwing out of the car.
I did not.
Okay, where'd that come from?
I'm so sorry. It's not that.
Ma'am,
It's really not.
have a seat.
Please,
Have a seat.
kids.
Have a seat. Put your legs in the car. No, you're not sorry.
not bad.
No, you're not sorry.
No, I'm
Put your
not.
legs in the
It's not
car.
evidence 'cause of
Put your legs in the car.
Okay.
You're this close from to me taking you to jail. Just shut your mouth and let me do my job. Put your leg in the car.
Please.
Ma'am, shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Here's my question for you. You're operating a vehicle.
Right.
It's very clear to me that you have had way too much to drink today. You're slurring your speech. I can smell it on you. Your driving pattern.
Whatever you need me to do,
Are you willing to do field sobriety
Yes, sir.
exercises? Okay, stay right there.
Don't hurt.
You see this blue light right here?
Yes, sir.
I want you to follow this with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Wherever this blue light goes, your eyes are going to follow. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, not your head. Keep your head straight, just your eyes and your eyes only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right.
That's
What?
not my problem.
That's my problem right now.
I just
Okay.
all I can hear is her. And it's
Don't worry about her. You're worried about me. Because right now,
Yes, sir.
right now the criminal investigation is on you.
Okay. All right.
She's already got her own issues.
Please.
I stopped the car. I'm trying to talk to this young lady. We bring her back here. We're talking. We're having a conversation. This one's throwing evidence out of the car. I've told her like 3 or 4 times to stop. Finally, I just detained her. I'm at the point to where I...
Destruction of evidence?
Yep, destruction of evidence and obstruction, so...
Perfect.
That tequila bottle was something... She started dumping out a bunch of booze and stuff out of the car.
Okay.
Okay.
So she is my neighbor.
Ma'am, okay, we're not worried about her right now. I'm worried about you.
Yes, sir.
Okay? You see this line? What I want you to do is I want you to put your left foot on that line. Are you going to do it barefoot or with...
Please! I'm severely claustrophobic, please.
Can you stop screaming?
No, I'm claustrophobic. I can't.
Listen, you're not getting out of the car.
Why the tire? At least open the door, please.
You're going to jail.
I promise. For what?
I think he already told you.
I'm not doing anything. I just need the door open, please.
No.
Can you please? 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 10.
Okay. All right, last thing I'm going to ask you to do, face me right here. All right, put your feet together and your arms down your sides like this, okay? While doing this, keep your eye on your toe at all times. Keep your arms down at your side and count out loud. Do not stop once you've begun, okay? Okay, listen, like this. We're not standing like Karate Kid. We're standing like this, okay?
Right, yes.
All right?
Yes, sir.
You may begin.
Hey, she's convulsing. Get out of the car. Come on, let's go. You want to get out of the car? Let's go. Get out of the car. I'm going to pull you out of the car. You want to go ahead and play these convulsing games? Let's go. You're not convulsing anymore. You're good? Cool. All right. So either you sit back in the car or you get out, and I call meds.
Okay. Put your hands behind your back.
Yes, ma'am.
You're under arrest for driving under the influence. Do you understand?
Right. Well, you have to have a blood test.
I don't have to have anything. I have enough probable cause to arrest you right now.
Well, I understand.
Okay?
Do you want to scoot out so you could sit?
But you want to help me?
Let's go. All right, let's go. Step
You
out.
smashed my face.
I didn't do anything. All right, now have a seat back in. Now have a seat. Good. Now scoot your butt back and swing your feet in. Scoot back.
What am I doing wrong?
Scoot back.
What am I doing wrong?
I don't know, lady. I'm not the one that put you in
Go
the
ahead.
handcuffs. Sit back inside. Sit back inside the car. Please, I don't want to have
No,
to use
put your
any
hands on me.
forms. I don't want to
Put
put
your
my
hands on
hand.
me.
What's your question? What did you do wrong?
Put your hands on
What
me.
did you do wrong? From the get-go, from the moment you were stopped, you're not listening to what I'm telling you to do. You opened
I
the. Well,
listened
shut up.
to you.
Shut up. You want me to
Hey,
tell? Get in the car.
Tell me shut up.
Shut up.
Go ahead.
I just did.
Put your hands.
Get in the car.
Put your
Get in the car.
hands.
Get in the car.
Go
Just have a
ahead.
seat.
In the car.
Go
Jesus
ahead.
Christ.
Why?
Hey, what? Let me ask you. What else would your friend have been throwing out of the car other than the booze?
I don't know.
You don't
I don't
know?
know, sir.
Okay. Your license should be in the center console, correct?
Yeah, my license should be in the center console.
What color is your purse?
I don't have a purse because I'm like a dude.
All right. You know what? Do me a favor.
May I show you?
For my safety, step back off.
Woo! Jesus Christ.
ZABETH.
Yes, I'm on my period, so I just got a tampon.
Did she throw something out the window besides the bottle? Because there's like shake everywhere.
Yeah, she
That
threw.
don't have nothing to do with
What did she have in the car? Like, I want you to be honest with me. What I'm
Yes, sir.
asking you.
But I don't know.
What I'm at.
I don't
what?
know. I don't know about that.
What drugs does she have in the car with her?
I don't know, sir.
You're with your friend. You know your friend. You know what your friends use.
No, that's my friend.
Okay,
no,
okay,
but
okay,
I
okay,
was
okay.
trying to sell my boat.
To her. So you're telling me you don't know her?
I know her, but I don't know. You never know what your
Okay.
friends are about.
Okay. So if we find any drugs in this car, they belong to her, not you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Walk back here.
This is, I guess, her.
Yeah, it's her. Just leave it on the front of the car. All right. You're gonna have a seat in the car with your friend.
Yes, sir.
You might want to have a conversation with her, unless you want to get charged with everything.
We didn't do anything, man.
Okay.
She was dropping me up here. We were gonna stay here because we knew.
Get your feet in, okay?
Della, what the f, dude? None of this is our fault, okay?
No.
So listen, don't hit your head. Lisa will come get us, okay? Well, let's not be rude. Let's not be mean.
Okay. Okay.
Let's hold it together. We didn't do nothing wrong, okay?
There's drugs somewhere.
Yeah, I'm looking. There we go. Yo.
What is it? Yep. That's it.
Under the seat.
Under the seat? Okay, so this is what the passenger was throwing out the car. Bottle of tequila.
Can you at least turn the AC on?
It is on.
It's not.
Yeah, it is. All right,
Yeah.
I'm gonna read you something.
Sorry, I'm not bad.
Okay. You have the rights from me, so anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to
What
the.
do I do?
Hold on. Do you understand your rights?
No.
You don't understand your rights?
No, I understand that.
Okay.
This is bullshit.
Okay. Do you want to answer questions now without a lawyer present? No? Do you want to answer questions about the drugs that were found under your seat?
What drugs?
Okay. All right. That's fine with me.
That's not my car.
That's not your car. Okay. Now it's not your car. Okay.
It's not. That towel is not my car. That's hers. What? What truck?
Go ahead. So why are you throwing out of the car then?
Papa, oh, okay. No, that thing fell out.
Oh, okay. All right.
The alcohol.
Just the alcohol, right?
No, the liquid.
Okay.
Piece of shit. Goddamn. Get me out of this.
It's cocaine, isn't it? It's either that or heroin.
There's some brown stuff on there too.
What drugs?
Baby doll, I promise you there's no drugs in the car.
I swear to you, there's no drugs on my side. I'm claustrophobic as please.
What is it?
I don't know.
Then there's not a quantifiable amount, is there?
No. But
It was found under her seat.
yeah.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
I need to get a breath test on this girl.
All right. Go for it, dude. I'll go ahead and take you in the car.
Finish up. If you find anything, let me know.
Can you please just pull this off my arm?
Pull what off your arm?
Oh, please.
4120. 2 females in custody so far.
Are you serious?
Relax.
No, I can't. I didn't even do anything. Please! I did not.
What's your issue?
Please.
What's
take
your
this
issue?
off. Please take it off and
I'm
put
not
it
taking
on.
the handcuffs
I don't
off.
care. Take it off. Put it back on.
Which one?
Oh my God! You're literally.
Ma'am,
Let me suffer then.
ma'am, there's nothing wrong with your handcuffs. They're not
No,
tight.
it really is.
Okay. Well, you're under arrest for destruction of evidence and obstruction.
What did I do?
You understand?
Evidence where?
Right.
I dropped it out of the.
No, you were throwing stuff out of the
I
car.
did not.
Okay. You know what? I'm not gonna argue with you.
Can you please? Can you please? What did I do?
You don't listen. That's what you did.
How?
Apparently, you're the only one who doesn't remember. How many times did I tell you to stop opening the door and stop trying to get out and stop throwing stuff out of the car? How many times? Okay.
You have the camera.
I do.
Go ahead, play it.
Why am I gonna play it?
Because I did not throw anything out of the door.
Okay. Now you didn't throw anything out. Okay. I have to go do a breath test.
Can you do it?
Would you mind or no? Because the longer this goes, the worse it's going to get. No, she's all of a sudden an asshole because she doesn't know how to follow simple instructions. The one that could have been going home but doesn't like to listen. Elizabeth, step out.
Yes, sir.
That's Sergeant Boussier. He's going to take you and take care of the breath test, okay?
Yes, sir.
Once this is done, the quicker we get this done, we get you down there, get it taken care of. You see the judge in the morning, you'll be out in the morning.
Yes,
Okay?
sir.
And you've been cool so far, right? You've been cooperative?
We found the paraphernalia, the straw, which was inside a bowl with some white powder inside. We couldn't get a positive test on the cocaine, so it might have been some sort of heroin.
Not because I'm trying to jam you up, I just don't want you dying.
no,
on
sir.
me, okay?
No, sir.
But I care about
I'm
you.
ready to
believe it or
go.
not. You're ready to go?
Thank you. Can you like, move my hair?
You need to calm down.
Can you move my hair? I'm fine.
Okay. What's wrong with your hair? It's in your face. I'm not worried about you being mean to me. It's about following instructions.
I know, I'm trying. I'm just
Okay.
scared. It's in my mouth.
It's in your mouth.
Thank you.
Did you eat something?
No.
Okay.
There's nothing in my system you could drug test.
I'm not about to drug test. I'm asking because I don't want you to die in the back of my car. That's why I'm asking. Okay. Okay, you will see a judge first thing in the morning. Their dad. Is their dad a good dad? Okay.
I'm a good mom.
Okay. I never said you weren't. You guys are just like, yeah, you made a dumb mistake today. Radicky.
Radicky doesn't give a about me. Can you wipe my snot?
Oh my God. It's like taking care of a baby. You got purses and things.
Yeah,
and
I got
bullshit. God, man. Why do I always get stuck with the annoying ones?
You're a better man than me. I don't know what you want to do with this.
I'll put it in evidence. It's obvious there's some sort of pill or something in there. Thank you for cooperating. I know it's a situation. It sucks.
Yes, sir,
We don't want to be there.
I understand.
Okay. But obviously we got two different colors going on here. We got you who's calm, cool, collect. I made a mistake. And then we got the other one who doesn't want to accept her issues. Okay.
Hey, I accept my issues.
I got you.
Thank you.
Do you have any cigarettes?
Yeah,
Let me get one.
I got cigs.
Not for me. It's for, maybe I can get her to calm down a little bit.
Why?
Della, chill. Come here.
From where?
You want a cigarette or not?
Please.
Come here. You got yourself all the way over there, didn't you? All right, I'll come to that side. That's fine, whatever.
Oh, well, now you're gonna shut the f***ing door like an asshole.
Okay, now you've gone that way. You want a cigarette or not? Okay, then come on, let's get up.
My hair.
I mean, I don't know what you want me to do with your hair.
Just move it.
Listen.
Thank you. I'm sorry.
For what?
I have to go to jail.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I already explained it to you.
What did I do?
All right, I'll explain it again. Destruction of evidence in the state of Florida is a felony, one, and then
Destruction of evidence.
and at the same time,
What did I destruct?
and at the same time, obstruction. How many times did I ask you clanging out the car and you could see you tossing from the car?
No.
Yeah, that's whenever I came over and pulled you out of the car and put you in cuffs. And then when I'm asking you to get out of the car and trying to put you, then I'm trying to put you in cuffs, you're trying to pull away from me. That's kind of where we're at. You're out of the car right now, your handcuffs are in the front, you have a cigarette. If you cause me any issue on the way to the Key West jail, the cuffs are going back behind both y'all's backs. You're probably going to get hobbled, which means I'm going to tie your legs together so you can't move at all and stick you in the seat.
Please don't do this.
Della, we're past that point.
I didn't do anything.
Okay, I've already explained it to you like 4 times. I've already explained it to you.
Overreacted.
How's overreacting? What overreacting? It wasn't even dealing with you. I was dealing with your driver who and you're not listening to me. Now you're making me question my safety because I'm trying to talk to your driver and I'm having to focus on you while she's here talking to me. How hard is it to stay in the car, to not move? How hard is that to do?
Or is it to be schizophrenic by booking?
Ma'am, you are a passenger in a car. From the moment I stop you, you're running your mouth, you're running your mouth, you're running your mouth. I'm trying to talk to Elizabeth. I'm not worried about you. I'm worried about why your driver is drunk and driving the way she is. Okay? You see what I'm saying?
It's so good. I have 2 babies.
It's stupid. It's stupid. This is dumb.
So sorry.
Go ahead and have a seat for me. I'm going to leave the cuffs in the front instead of putting them back behind your back. Okay.
Unfortunately, officers had a very long night with these